Morning everyone, we've got an exciting day planned today, but first we've got some lunch. We've picked up banh mi's, which are like a Vietnamese specialty. It's basically a baguette with a bunch of different fillings. I've got fried tofu, fried mushroom, some salad, some sweet chili sauce, some garlic sauce, and also paid 20 baht extra for cheddar cheese. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh,
I can see that cheese.
we're starting our half-day tour. What's our first stop?
Temple? No, Buddha.
I think our first stop is the White Buddha. This half-day tour is costing us 300 baht each, and it starts
£6.76.
Oh, you're good at that.
Wait, I think
It starts at 1 PM and it finishes at like 6:30. We're finishing with the canyon.
I was right.
You're so good.
Huh?
We're finishing with the canyon at sunset, so about 6:30. It's about 5 hours for 300 baht. First stop, White Buddha. All the way up there, all those steps. Are we ready? Let's go. Made it to the top, looking sufficiently rosy, and there's about 8 people in our half-day tour, which isn't too bad. And then we've also seen a few people come up and come down, so it's relatively busy for the tourist attractions that we've been to so far. But as you can see, this is the Buddha behind me, and then my view right now is pretty good. It is a little bit hazy. I think that's because of burning season and everything. Right now it is the end of March in Pai, but I'll show you what we can see. So we just climbed up all the steps around the corner and then up these ones, and this is the view that we have right now. Even though it's pretty hazy, it's still impressive. Pretty much wherever you are in Pai, you can always see the big Buddha. Definitely not the biggest Buddha we've seen. I think we were agreeing that the biggest one we've seen is in Phuket. About a 15-minute drive later, we have come up to the Chinese village, which is a very vertical drive at the very end. I was holding on for dear life. The view isn't going to be great because it's burning season. Oh, they're getting on the swing.
Multiple person job here. You're not allowed to get up.
Should you not have someone on the other end?
Right, feel a bit. Don't scary going down. Not going down. What do you mean going down? You're good up there.
Looks like there is archery over here. There's like a little cafe over there. We're the only people here right now from the tour group, I think. And then there's a little viewpoint where Lauren is getting ready for me to take a photo of her. I think you can just like walk around. I think over the other side there's like some Chinese shops and stuff. I don't know whether they'll be open though because of COVID. There's also some construction going on that I'm sure you can hear. When I was here in 2019, we also did a little like Chinese tea tasting, which was really fun, but I don't know if that will be open right now because of COVID. There's the cafe there. We've got our lovely Chinese lanterns and the viewpoint here. Like I said before, it's probably not the best because it's burning season, so you've got the haze and the horizon there. But honestly, I wouldn't let that put you off. It's also a little bit bland because, as I said, it's also dry season. Obviously, when it's rainy season, it's a bit more green and lush. Like last time I came out it was October, so it's a lot more green. This time it's March, so it's a lot more dried. But like I said, also, don't let that put you off. Like, we're still having a great time here, very picturesque. What do you think of it so far?
I feel like we've only seen like a tiny bit of it.
Yeah, we've just seen the viewpoint and taken pictures at the heart, and now we're going to explore more of the village area, I think. So I think this Chinese village is called, and I'm really sorry for any pronunciation here, I think it's called the Yunnan village. Apparently it is including hill tribe people and immigrants from Yunnan in China. 48 are apparently formal nationalist Chinese soldiers, and the village was built to attract tourists. It's apparently also called Santashon village. I've been very sorry, I'm butchering everything. And apparently they built this place to sort of show and imitate the lives of the Chinese people. And also I think we're going to see some like clay huts at some point. I think there's one over there, so that's showing the way that the Chinese people live in their hill tribes back in China, or specifically perhaps Yunnan. Feel free to correct me if I'm wrong. I'm a little confused because we've pulled up at this place next and now I don't know whether the last place was the Chinese village or the viewpoint. It might be in the viewpoint because now we are at a place that I more recognise as the Chinese village. We've got the castle here, which is like a castle. Looks like down there we've also got some archery, maybe some shooting like I said before, and the green fields that I do remember from the Chinese village last time I was here. Got a lovely yin yang sign, matches my nails. It's very cute. Oh, the pandas. Oh, your outfit matches, bestie. So cute. Let's have an explore. Oh, you can rent the Chinese ancient suits for men and dresses for ladies for 100 baht in there. Oh, that's so cute. And then, oh, you would get lovely pictures if you rented that and really took your time going through this village and the grounds. And it would really maybe look like you were in China. China in lockdown, so we come here instead. Oh, it's lovely to be in greenery up in the north, surrounded by the mountains. Got a slight breeze. This is lovely. This group is the only people here, it looks like. So I can see one of the famous swings over there again. Looks like this is where all the Chinese shops and everything are, like when I got tea last time. So I think there's a little shop over there. But apart from that, maybe that one looks open. Maybe that one as well. Pretty empty here right now, which is a double-edged sword because obviously it makes it nice with less tourists and everything. But it's always sad to see places that have taken a hit. Hi guys, just wanted to know if you're Team Margaret Thatcher or Team Thatcher Joe.
Tag yourself.
Tag yourself. Which team you are? Which Thatcher are you?
We'll be a BuzzFeed quiz.
Put your masks in the bin. That's the money shot right there. Is this bridge secure? Well, I don't fall very far if I do fall.
Whoa.
Thank God for dry season, am I right?
Yeah.
They're out there working in the fields. I'm not quite sure what they're getting. Come and join me at the Chinese village. I bought an ice cream. It's gone everywhere. If you're traveling to Thailand, carry tissues. A thing that Lauren had to learn the hard way.
No one has toilet roll.
What flavour did you get?
Coconut.
Got mango. We're on the top of the little, can you see? We're on the top of the little castle bit. As you can see, we've got a Chinese roof section and then castle up here. We've got pretty much 360-degree views. Obviously we're not super high, so we can't see that far. You can see the mountains in the distance, the outlines and everything. It's really beautiful here actually. We're the only ones here. Free entry to get in as well, I think, and free entry to the White Buddha. I would really recommend coming here, guys.
No.
What do you think about the Chinese village, Lauren?
It's very nice. Bit culture.
We have arrived at our next stop, which I think is called Coffee in Love, and it's just basically a little coffee shop and lots of little like Instagrammy things. This is a perfect Instagram spot. Got a sign here that says I am Pai, like I am Amsterdam, I'm assuming. I am Pai, so we might get some pictures here. Cute little truck, it's got some gardens behind us there, and then there is a sign over there that says Coffee in Love, but that's also on the main road, so don't know if I will be getting a sign there. This is also like a viewpoint, so you've got the beautiful mountains over there. It's just basically quite rural, and then that is the little coffee shop over there. Our next stop today is apparently the Bamboo Bridge. It's about 4 PM, so we've still got, what, 2.5 hours left of our half-day tour. A sign that said admission fee 30 baht, but we don't know whether like our fee for the tour has covered that. There was no one there. There's a man there when we got off the Songtao, so I don't know whether our driver has paid him, but he doesn't seem to be sitting there anyway, so I don't know whether we just got away with that because no one is there or what happened. To be honest, I paid 300 baht for the half-day tour, but I think this is a very reasonably priced, Lauren, isn't it?
Yeah.
What, 5 hours? You don't have to think about the transportation or anything. Just get taken from spot to spot. One thing I will say is the first part felt a bit rushed, like also because I'm filming We keep being the last people onto the Song Tao again. Although at the coffee shop, me and Lauren obviously didn't buy coffee, and we felt like we were kind of waiting around for everyone else to finish their coffee. I suppose that's a minus of doing one of those little group tours with other people that you don't really know, but everyone seemed really nice. Talked to a few of them. There's quite a lot of bamboo bridges. We don't really know what route to take because obviously there's one up there, the one that we came here, and then this one follows all the way up there, so I don't really know where we're supposed to go, to be honest. I don't know if it leads anywhere specific. Again, we are the only people here. We saw a few people coming down in their motorbikes, which don't know if I would be risking that because it was a bit turny.
A long drive.
Yeah, and some bits actually like turn like that, like the driver had to beep to make sure no one was coming down the other side. You ate buffalo?
Yeah, it's a little bit dirty.
Was it nice?
It's quite nice.
Oh.
All the food and food good.
Just took some Instagram pics on the top of those stairs. Makes a very good post. I love this sort of structure thing. I'm not quite sure what it's for, but it's very pretty nonetheless. And we're just walking along the wooden bridge. It actually feels very sturdy. There's a little wobble, but they've been woven together so perfectly that it's actually one of the more stable wooden bridges I've walked across. And I've walked across a few in Thailand, I have. As you can see, this one out here just kind of leads out to the field and then goes down. Basically, I've come to the conclusion that most tourist attractions in Thailand are just Instagram traps and set up for our pictures. But to be honest, the Thais do love an Instagram, and they must also realise that the English people and the Western people are starting to love an Instagram as well. And I will say that I never feel embarrassed getting an Instagram in Thailand because I know that the Thai people are going to do exactly the same and they have no shame. Our next stop is Pam Bok waterfall, except it's dry season. There is no water in the waterfall, but it's still quite pretty. A lot of spiders, but yeah, probably better in rainy season. We are at our final stop of the day. We are at Pai Canyon, as you can see behind me. It's also a little bit windy, so my hair is going everywhere. I'm sorry if there's any wind noise in the camera. It's about 5:20. Sun will set in maybe about an hour, so we're here a little bit early to be honest, but I've also seen in vlogs that it gets quite busy at sunset, so maybe it's good we came a bit earlier. There's lots of different places to sit. Oh my god. Yeah. Come to Thailand, they say. It will be fun. There's dust in my eyeballs. I think we're just going to walk around and then take some pictures and enjoy Pai Canyon and then watch the sunset. Now time to cross. Are you ready? Are you ready? I think this is as far as we will be going, ladies and gents. Yeah, you can scramble down there to get to that walkway. Got all of our pics, taken our TikToks, and now we're sitting, still waiting. It's about 6 o'clock, so I think we've got like half an hour still to wait until the sun properly sets. But it's really nice. There's other people here, but not as busy as I thought it was going to be. Maybe it'll get a bit busier in like 15 minutes, don't know, but just quiet, really peaceful.
Like my baby mama, know how to take care of me. Give my baby problems, you gon' regret everything. So I let her know, gotta let her know. Came through the front door, I'll be ready for it. And if it's what you want, I'ma give it to you. Yeah, promise, I'ma give it to you. Miss that smile, Lord knows.
We've just got dropped off back on Walking Street from the tour. Like I said, it was 300 baht, includes pick up and drop off. We just wanted to be dropped back off on the street so we can collect our laundry. But first, we stopped by for some falafel. So excited. 90 baht for falafel and pita bread with hummus, tahini, Israeli salad and pita bread. Very excited. Made on the street, so you know it's going to be tasty. And this is where I'm going to leave the video, guys. I'm going to eat my falafel, get my laundry and walk home. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe, as I'll be back next week with a brand new video. Bye guys.